Hey students and tech fans, OpenAI just launched Study Mode for ChatGPT, turning AI into your ultimate study buddy. Is this the future of learning? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this game-changing feature. OpenAI unveiled Study Mode for ChatGPT, designed to boost learning with a Socratic approach instead of just handing out answers. It's here to fight AI cheating and make studying smarter. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. Unlike typical AI that spits out answers, Study Mode uses guiding questions to spark critical thinking, tailored to your skill level and goals. Whether you're tackling math or history, it walks you through problems step by step, fostering deeper understanding. OpenAI teamed up with educators and pedagogy experts to make it a legit learning tool. Study Mode tackles concerns about AI enabling academic dishonesty by prioritizing learning over shortcuts. It's interactive, engaging, and built to help you master topics, not just pass tests. Available now in ChatGPT, it's a bold step to blend AI with education responsibly. OpenAI Study Mode could reshape how students use AI, making it a partner in learning rather than a cheat sheet. Its success might predict the future of AI-infused education, balancing tech and integrity. Could this change classrooms forever? Let's talk about it. Jump into ChatGPT Study Mode today and level up your study game. Whether you're prepping for exams or exploring new topics, this feature has got you covered. What subject will you tackle first? Drop it below. That's the scoop on ChatGPT Study Mode. Are you hyped to study smarter or curious about AI and education? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.